So dear students, if you're targeting the year 2026, uh, you must be thinking about the right kind of optional for the preparation, because optional papers carry 500 marks and it is an important pillar of your UPSC preparation. If you take into account the overlap that optionals may have with the general studies and the essay paper, then the clear weightage goes beyond 500, and therefore it is very important to deliberate and discuss with the teachers on which optional suits you better. So if you are thinking of PSIR optional, then our batch is starting from 28th of January. The timing is 8:30 a.m. in the morning. And the workshop for that batch is going to happen on 16th of January, 5 p.m. So if you have already decided on PSIR optional, or if you are deliberating on some 4-5 optional and waiting for the final decision on the optional paper, I would invite all of you to the workshop, wherein we'll discuss the course structure, the syllabus of PSIR, the overlap with the general studies paper. So do attend the workshop on 16th of January, and let's finalize the optional paper for you. Thank you.